Hey guys, Andrew from MarineMax Danvers. Today I'm going to be doing a walkthrough on our 2023 Boston Whaler 240 Vantage. Guys, welcome aboard the 240 Vantage. First thing I want to point out is the power on this boat. This boat is equipped with a 250 horsepower Mercury Verado. Very nice engine, very efficient, plenty of power to get you up on plane. Making our way in here, you can see the Vantage line has a very nice setup for entertaining, lots of seats, lots of space, but if you want to fish, this pops out of the way. Got your rod holders here, live well, gives you all the amenities for fishing. Making our way forward, you're gonna see a nice lounge seat here. Now this seat is adjustable to create a nice sun lounge, so if you wanna hang out in the sun or just catch some rest. Making our way a little bit forward here. See our head. Very spacious head for a 24-foot boat. At the helm here, you're gonna see that this boat is equipped with a 12-inch Simrad screen. That's gonna be a chart plotter, fish finder, GPS, everything you need to be out on the water, feel safe, and do what you need for fishing. This boat also is equipped with a JL audio system, plenty of speakers around the boat. When you're hanging out with friends, it's gonna be plenty of sound to get you out. Making our way forward here, you're gonna see nice U-shaped seating. This is great for hanging out with the family, if you wanna catch some sun as well. And this boat is equipped with a bow ladder. So if you were tied up at the beach and wanna hop off and hop back on from the bow, it does have the ability for that as well. If you have any more questions on this 240 Vantage, call me. My name's Andrew at MarineMax Danvers, 978-879-3721. Thanks.